Today I'm gonna be making this delicious honey garlic shrimp for lunch. Shrimp is one of the most protein-packed food. 20 grams of protein for just 100 calories. Before we cook the shrimp, I'm gonna make the sides. Some jasmine rice, give this a nice rinse. I'm gonna cook this in my rice cooker. I'm gonna peel and mince 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna keep running my knife through until they're nice and minced. Once our garlic is all minced up, I'm gonna throw it into a bowl. I'm then gonna dump in about half a cup of honey. I'm gonna zest 2 whole limes. Make sure to get every little piece out. Then I'm gonna roll them on the table really hard, squeeze it out. Some pepper and a good amount of salt. Then I'm gonna give it a really good whisk and set it aside. There's about 10 minutes left on my rice, so it's time to start the shrimp. 10 minutes is all it takes. Shrimp is a really quick and easy protein to make. Also for the broccoli, I have another pan on low heat. The pan's been heating up for about 5 minutes. Into the pan with some avocado oil. We don't need that much. And all of our shrimp. And I'm sort of just gonna toss it around for a few minutes. I'm gonna be cooking up some frozen broccoli. I got a pan on medium heat. Toss it in, a couple cups of water. Bunch of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. I'm gonna put a top on it and steam it for about 3 minutes. Once they start to curl up, about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm gonna add the honey garlic lime sauce, mix that around, and leave it for a few minutes. I'm gonna slowly add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. That's it for the shrimp. This is gonna be amazing. All right, let's give it a taste. The taste is amazing. You wouldn't think that lime would go together with shrimp, but it's absolutely perfect. If you're just learning how to cook, shrimp is one of those things that you gotta master. It is such a delicious protein source, pretty low calorie, and easy and quick to make.